How to take a photo in MacBook. So let's get started. As you can see here, Launchpad icon, click it here. Here you can see Photo Booth. If you didn't find the Launchpad, you can access Photo Booth from clicking this search icon as well. Search for Photo Booth, open Photo Booth. Here you can see this icon, click it here. As you can see, the photo has captured. Now right click it. Here you can export the photo and delete the photo. If you want to export the photo, select the location where you want to export it. I want in the desktop. Click Save. As you can see here, the photo has saved in the desktop. You can explore other options as well. If you click there, you can airdrop your photo to your iPhone or the MacBook as well. If you click on this icon again, here you can see there are effects tab as well. So if you click it here, you can see multiple effects. Let's try this. As you can see, the photo has captured. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.